am a lash whore. Did I just pluck some of the lashes off? This sucks. Oh no, champ. Okay, I feel completely naked without a lash on, not even mascara, because today we are trying out the Falscara lashes from KISS. KISS sent me over a big old box with their Falscara lashes. I've been wanting to try these for quite some time. So let's get into everything that they sent. So first off, they sent the Falscara starter kit. This comes with lengthening lashes. They're all the same length. Has the lash applicator, the bond, and the seal. I think I'm gonna go with this one because I feel like it might be the most user-friendly as opposed to freestyling it and making other lashes, but I am a lash whore. So we'll see how this goes. I also got 2 packs of the Bambi Wispies. Inside here, there are short, medium, and long. I got a pack of the So Extra Wispies. These are the Extra Drama Wispies. And then these are the Spiky Glam Wispies. Also comes with the overnighter. This seal or bond is supposed to make them last up to 10 days. We'll see about that. And then some remover. Also came with this really cute mirror because gotta be able to get in there and do it. I am a lash whore. I love lashes. I have a love-hate relationship with individual lashes. I have had lash extensions before. They're beautiful, but when they fall out and you have no idea how many are gonna fall out, when they're gonna fall out, you could be bald on one side and then halfway full or sparse on the other. I don't like that. Then the frequency at which I would need to get them refilled, then that's the cost. And then I like to change my lash style because I'm such a lash whore. So I like different shapes and styles of lashes to give me a different look, whether I want something spiky, whether I want to be more doll baby and wispy, whether I want something that's shorter on the inside and long on the outside, give me more cat eye. And I don't have that flexibility or variety when I get lash extensions. I wanted to give this a try to see, is this like having lash extensions but not being fully committed? Okay, so we have the lashes here. These are the lashes from the starter set. Again, I think they're all the same length. So this is just going to give me a full length, I guess, like look like mascara look. I have naturally long lashes, but we'll see. Let's give it a go. These are kind of hard to get off. Like, how am I supposed to get these off? Am I doing something wrong? I thought they were really hard to get off. So you actually have to pop this off and then they lay inside there. Okay, very well. Okay, so I want to tell you one of my reservations about doing this. Well, I don't think I'll necessarily have an issue. It's the fact that it's going under the eye, so you'll place them under the eye. My thing about that is if someone has a more downturned eye and they're following the natural line of their lash line, it's like you'll put them on and they'll still be droopy. So does that make sense? We're doing this. Okay, so I'm going to oh, it's black. Okay. I'm actually kind of nervous now that the ones that I chose aren't actually long enough. So I've picked up the lash and I'm going to place it under, and it says start on the outside. Oh no, champ. Okay. It's not staying. What am I doing wrong? Let's try this again. Putting on the bond. Have the lash. Okay. I still think these are hard to get off. Like now, because of how I've had to pull them off, it's not, this is also very hard to do without glasses. I am very blind. I'm moving right along, but I honestly, okay, I see a little something. All right. It's hard to kind of see where I've placed them. Ooh. I've already placed 3 and there's 2 more left. I think I'm only gonna place 1 more. Okay. All right. So I don't know if you can really see. So of course here we have no lashes, no mascara. Here we have no mascara and just 4 of the Falscaras. I started on the outside and went in. They're all the same length, so I guess it's just like using mascara. I am going to go in with the Seal. Okay. There's one of the lashes that looks like it has like a little bit of adhesive from the pack. I don't know how that's going to blend. Another thing about doing this, I am someone that does not do a lot of liner on the top. I generally like to tight line to just give myself the look of a fuller lash line without having to use liner on the top and losing lid space. So I would say this is probably for someone more natural and not someone who does a lot of makeup. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the tool. Oh, maybe I waited too soon. Okay, so I'm going to try to, okay, they're still sticky. I'm trying to pinch together with my lashes and blend. Ooh, I feel like I already got a better placement on this corner one. Feeling better. You know, I don't think it's bad. And this is just the starter set. I don't feel as naked lashed now. Do I think I could have achieved this with just mascara? I actually don't. And I'm someone who always doubles up on mascara. I always use 2 mascaras. I use a lengthening mascara and then I follow up with a volumizing mascara to give me, I like a fluffy look on the top. I'm still concerned. I am still concerned that if someone had a more downturned shape eye and they were just putting it under their lash line, you'd have to be very strategic on where you would place them so then your eyes don't droop down and the lashes don't follow that natural line, which is a benefit sometimes of putting your lashes on top of the lash line because you can play tricks and lift the lash and it does a pulling effect and changes the way your eye shape looks. I don't know if I can necessarily do that going under the lashes. I'm doing all this talking. I forgot to go in with the Seal. Do feel like I see a little bit of sparseness on this side. I think I didn't get one of them close enough. I do still have 2 extras from each side. So if I wanted to like double up somewhere, get a little bit more fullness, I'm sure that I could. So it does say that they can, with the overnighter, it says it'll help them last up to 10 days. We're gonna put that to the test. from washing the face, sitting in the sauna, sweating, all of the things. Oh, okay, so this is different. This looks more similar to a lash glue. This looks very similar to my KISS Lash Adhesive. Ooh, you put it under, but it's supposed to be, I guess, like lash glue, but you just... Okay, so that little bit of adhesive that I said I saw earlier and I didn't know how it was gonna blend, this got that since this is black. Okay, my eye's not necessarily stinging or burning, but I feel something. And this is something that I was worried about. I think I'm digging it. Honestly, doesn't take too long to do. I definitely think with more like playing around and experience, I definitely think I would get better over time. I am interested though, like now that I feel like I got the hang of it, I do want to do like more freestyling with the other ones, since they come with short, a row of short, 2 rows of medium, and then 1 row of long. I would like to, you know, do like a long, 2 mediums, a short on the inside, really play with different lash styles, or short, or like 2 mediums on the outside, a long on the inside, do something spiky. If you're freestyling, you can definitely get creative with this. Let me see how it feels like with my glass, like what it looks like with my glasses on. Oh, she's still giving flirty. They're not necessarily pushing against my lenses, and this is just a starter kit. You know, I think I like them. I like them. Let me put some mascara on the bottom and then like feel a little more like pulled together. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now I have some thoughts. Overall, I do like the Falscara lashes. I'm going to continue to play with them. I am going to continue to wear them and see how well this 10 days of wear holds up. Not sure how I feel about that. But I'm going to go ahead and do that. I wanted to go over some things with you, like, do I sign off on this? I like them, but here's the thing. The starter kit that they sent me, which had just the 5 sets for each, 5 clusters for each eye. So that's 10 clusters. It came with the bond and the seal and the applicator. That's $19.99. Okay. I did also get the overnighter seal, which is another $10.99. And I got the lash remover, that was $6.49. And then each of the separate little kits that I got, they're $7.99. And in these boxes, I think you get what? So you get 24 in here for $7.99. Y'all know I like to make it make sense, dollars and cents. I'm normally a strip lash girl. I wear my strip lashes over and over and over again.
And over and over and over and over and over again.
Because that's just how I am. I have reservations about this because although apparently you can take them off and reuse them, I think it's way harder to keep track of these, especially if you're using different sizes. You'd have to really have somewhere to place them and place them in the right order. I can't imagine doing that, so I would probably just pluck them off and throw them in the trash. Cost per wear and cost per use wise, I don't think that's economical. The starter kit, I wish it came with the remover. Like, they should have a kit that has the remover and the overnighter in there. They do. So there is a Falscara lengthening lash starter kit, and that one is $24.99. So inside of this one, while they're not all full size, you do get a bond and seal, you get 24 lashes, you get the applicator, and then you get like a little tiny remover for $24.99. And you get the overnighter as well. So it has everything in there that you would need. I like them. I just don't know if it's economical if you are someone who already wears strip lashes. It's so much easier to keep clean and maintain a strip lash as opposed to these little clusters. So I don't necessarily know how I feel about that. I do like them though. I like them. I do think they are easy to use, easy-ish. As someone who's very fearful of being under my lash line, it was pretty easy. But I'm gonna continue to wear them and see how it goes. I don't hate them. And normally I'm an emphatic yes or an emphatic no. I'm actually in between. I'm definitely gonna leave this up to you, and if you'd be willing to try, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you've tried them, if you'd be willing to try them.
3 hours later.
I can honestly say I was going to like pinch them to make sure that they were blended, and they still felt a little bit sticky. I'm not sure why that is, but I am going to wash my face and see how they do. All right, I'm totally getting my face wet before I apply the cleanser. So this is different because I am used to like normally cleaning my face, going under and then rubbing up under because I normally have mascara on and I want to make sure I get both sides clean of my lash. But I only had mascara on the bottom and not the top. They seem to be really on though. I am looking now and I feel like on this side I could have started out a little bit more. I could have had maybe like one more on the inside or just place them differently. Clearly, like I'm not being gentle. I mean, like I'm not trying to like beat my face up. Wait a minute. So I literally just said, oh, I feel like I could have one more. I just found it. We already have a fail just from washing my face. So much for 10 days. I don't know. Like all I did was wash my face and I'm already bald headed, which is part of the reason I am not a full fan of lash extensions, because you just wait, but they're clusters. I done lost a whole chunk on the inside. Nope. Could I easily apply it back in like 3 seconds? Yes. I'm not gonna do that tonight. I might do it tomorrow because I have more content to do tomorrow and I have like a video interview. But that really sucks. I honestly don't even feel like I need to do like the rest of the testing, the 10-day testing, like sweating, sitting in the sauna, all of that, because if this came off just from me washing my face, I don't know. So that's gonna be it for the review. I'm still gonna leave it up to you. I've said what I had to say. Let me know if this video was helpful for you at all. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you in the next video.